Good afternoon, family. How's everybody doing today? Hopefully everybody's doing wonderfully blessed, having a great day. Most importantly, a safe day. This is your boy, Jaime G. Your boy's about to drop it like it's hot. About to break you guys off the latest and greatest in the Wild Wild West of crypto land. In the Wild Wild West crypto land, it is, baby. Bitcoin is at 51,403, guys. I told you that Bitcoin was going to do its thing, that it was just consolidating. I knew it, baby. Look at where we're at. We smashed past the 50K level of support. Now we're at 51,000, continuing to push up. Now I think Plan B is pretty right, man. I really do think we might possibly hit that 63K by the end of this month. None of this is ever financial advice, guys. It's just your boy sharing his thoughts and opinions, nothing more, nothing less. You know your boy on this channel talks about Doge and overall crypto news. Now, if that sounds good to you and you're new to my channel, maybe you can consider to like and subscribe to the channel. All right, guys, I'm ready. You guys ready? Let's dive into the markets and see what's crackling. All right, like I said, Bitcoin's at 51,385, guys. It is up 5.15% for the day. It is looking sexy as all get up. The overall crypto markets are looking good as well. You already know, guys, when Bitcoin's pumping, the overall market is pumping as well. And yours truly, Dogecoin. I told you guys, if Bitcoin moves up, pushes up drastically and makes a major move to the upside, that it was going to affect Dogecoin in a positive way. And what did it do? We're sitting at 25 cents right now. Now let's just dive right into Dogecoin. All right, we'll get into some Bitcoin news here in a minute. All right, guys, we are currently sitting at 0.2525, 25 cents. We are up 6.9% for the day. Our 24-hour low was 23 cents, and our 24-hour high was 0.2678, almost 27 cents, guys. We are killing it, right? We broke past that 50-day moving average, which is our resistance at 0.26 or 2571, right, guys? But we pulled back. We wicked past it, but nonetheless, we tested it, baby. You know what I mean? Brighter days are to come. Put your moon suit on, because we about to head to the moon, baby. All right, guys, our market cap is sitting at $33.23 billion, and volume is at $4.95 billion. We have gone up more than we were yesterday. We're almost at $5 billion, guys. Obviously, like I said, two key components that we needed to help push the price of Doge up was volume, which we got, and Bitcoin pushing up drastically, and it did. You know what I'm saying? So, all right, guys, that's enough of the stats. Let's dive into the charts real quick. I just want to briefly show you how things are looking, right? And things are show you some more bullish technicals on the chart, right, guys? So, obviously, let me shrink myself up here a little bit. All right, so you know what I mean? Here's the descending triangle that we were in since September 17th, right? Let me get my doodle daddle so I can doodle. All right, guys, so obviously right here is when we started this descending triangle, and we started forming our way descending down, right? And then what, 1 2 3 4 5 6, a week ago we broke to the upside. We started breaking to the upside, as you can see, right? And it's been blue skies ever since. We've been continuing to push up. Yeah, exactly, continue to push up. And not just that, right? So as you can see right here, right, the bottom line is the 8-day moving average, and the top line is the 21-day moving average. Now the 21-day moving average was our level of resistance, but we flipped the trend and then we made it support. But as you can see here where I circled, the 8-day moving average crossed the 21-day moving average. Now that is a bullish technical, guys. So what do we got going on when we look at the chart? Okay, 1, we broke out of the descending triangle to the upside. 2, we crossed the 8-day moving average, crossed the 21-day moving average, which is a bullish technical. So that is 2. The third bullish technical is we made our resistance into support. We flipped the trend. And 4, we already tested the level of resistance at the 50-day moving average. Guys, things are looking extremely bullish on the charts for Dogecoin. You know what I mean? I truly believe we're going to continue to push up and up and up, you know, especially with Bitcoin doing its thing. But hey, be prepared for a pullback, you know what I mean, and some consolidation, which is always healthy anyways. You always need it. You don't want to continue to just go parabolic up, right? Because then it'll fall down even harder. What goes up must come down. Remember that, guys. So we do want to see some pullback and some consolidation, maybe some buying opportunities for some of you guys. But all right, guys, that's what I had for as far as the, I'm sorry, resistance, guys. Resistance is the 21-day moving average. Not resistance, it's the support now, rather, and that is coming in at 22 cents, okay? And resistance is still at the 50-day moving average, which is at 25 cents, okay, guys? Until otherwise, I will change that and make another video. Now let's get into some fundamentals here, guys. There's a lot of news. I'm going to try to go fast, okay? Because we got a lot to get into here. And it's already 5 minutes. All right, where we at? Okay, now we have a nice. Okay, this is out of Yahoo Finance. Get this, guys. Yahoo Finance, right? Look at what they got to say. They say, can Doge reach $10? It says Dogecoin's market cap will grow to 1.32 trillion if Dogecoin hits $10. Now they answer, yes, Dogecoin can reach $10. Hell yeah, that would be huge, man. We'd be a bunch of freaking Dogecoin millionaires. Now it says, however, there is one problem. A sufficient amount of money should be put into Dogecoin to get the meme coin to $10 level. Here's the math. The current circulating supply of Dogecoin is roughly at 131.56 billion Doge. If Dogecoin were to reach $10 today, its market capitalization would be about 1.32 trillion. It would be noted that Dogecoin circulating supply is increased by 5 billion every year, which means that some inflation is built into the coin. However, this inflation decreases over time due to the fixed nature of the added supply. According to CoinMarketCap, the total crypto market capitalization is 2.17 trillion. Right, the market capitalization of the world's leading cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, is roughly at 930 million. The second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, Ethereum, is worth 400 million. Right, so thus a Dogecoin at $10 would be worth Bitcoin and Ethereum combined. Right, guys. So we would need the market capitalization of Bitcoin and Dogecoin combined, and Ethereum combined. That's how much we would need in our market cap for Dogecoin. Is it possible? Anything is possible in crypto, right? Now it says Dogecoin's success will depend on the success of the whole industry. Total crypto market capitalization is trending higher as adoption of cryptocurrency grows. As cryptocurrencies gradually become mainstream financial assets, the total crypto market capitalization will continue to grow. Currently, the market capitalization of Dogecoin represents about 1.4% of the total crypto market capitalization. If the current ratio between Dogecoin's market cap and total crypto market cap holds over time, the total market cap should reach 94 trillion to push Dogecoin to the $10 level. So guys, they're breaking down the math and the statistics. Bottom line is, yes, Dogecoin can actually hit $10 in the future. Not near, but in the future, right guys? Now that can be 5 to 10 years from now. To put things into perspective, the S&P 500 finished the month of August with a market capitalization of 38.2 trillion. Thus, the total crypto market cap should exceed the market cap of the world's main stock index. This does not look plausible as well. There is also a third alternative option which can push Dogecoin towards the $10 level. In this scenario, Dogecoin's share in the total crypto market cap grows together with the total market crypto cap, which means that Dogecoin will not have to replace Bitcoin or Ethereum, while total crypto market cap would not have to grow to 94 trillion. All in all, Dogecoin can theoretically get to the $10 level. However, cryptocurrencies must gain wider adoption to make this possible, while Dogecoin should materially increase its crypto market shares. For a look at today's total economic events, check out, okay. Anyways, guys, so long story short, they broke down the math and statistic wise. Now, obviously, they didn't say how many years, right? It basically depends on the market, on the crypto market, right? And we're in the beginning stages, guys, right now. That's why I say, man, crypto millionaires are going to be made in 5, 10, 15 years from now for those of us who continue to be diamond hands and hodl. You know what I mean? This was a pretty interesting and actually pretty good breakdown. You know what I mean? So, all right, guys, let's get into some more news here. Some more Dogecoin news. Dogecoin news. Man, I'm in the rain right now, guys, getting wet up here in the Pacific Northwest. Now, a lot of people use Doge to make Maverick merch. Mark Cuban says, adding more Dogecoin to his stash. He obviously bought more. He only had like $400 worth of Doge, guys, so he got more now. Now it says, Mark Cuban says, a lot of people pay in Dogecoin, and at the Dallas Mavericks sell thousands. It says, Mark Cuban says, a lot of people pay in Dogecoin, and that the Dallas Mavericks sells thousands and thousands of dollars per month in the off-season. He expects those numbers to go much higher as the season starts. He also bought more Doge. Now, it says not all cryptos are the same. Now, he goes, a lot of people are buying with Dogecoin. Mark Cuban also shared that people prefer to use Dogecoin for payments when buying merchandise at the Dallas Mavericks store's online store when paying for tickets to the team's games. He stated that people prefer not to pay in Bitcoin since it is really an appreciated asset. However, the Mavericks online shop makes thousands of dollars in Dogecoin every month during the offseason. As soon as the season starts, the billionaire expects these massive payments in Doge to happen every week. The reason for that, he believes, is that Dogecoin's price does not appreciate much, so as people do not use it as a store of value but want to hold it forever to pay with it. Cuban buys more Doge just for fun. He's a billionaire, guys. He doesn't need to do it. He's just doing it just to do it, right? Now, it says the owner of the Dallas Mavericks team admitted that he had added more Dogecoin to his stash and that he holds just for fun, right, guys? Earlier this year, billionaire shared that he owned slightly less than $500 in this Bitcoin paradise crypto. Now, in his stash is approximately at $1,500. Well, guys, at least he added $1,000 more to it, right? You know what I mean? Not that he has to do it, guys. He's just doing it as support to show that he obviously supports, and he is obviously part of the Doge army, the Doge community, right? Well, all right, guys. Well, that's what I had for you guys as far as Dogecoin news goes. Now, let's dive into the Bitcoin news. Crypto news. There is a lot, so I'm going to go fast. Boom, 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 boom. All right, guys? Now, let's go. It's cold out here. I'm trying to hurry up. Bitcoin sees third straight week of institutional capital flows amid market sentiment turnaround coin shares. Now, guys, obviously the markets have turned around, right? A lot of people were bearish. Why? Because Bitcoin was consolidating when we went all the way down to the 29,000, and then we gradually started working our way back up, and the sentiment has turned around to bullish. A lot more bullish sentiment in the market, especially now that we're sitting at 51K. There's going to be a lot of FOMO in the markets, right? So hold on, guys. We're about to go to the moon, right? So this goes to show, guys, that institutional investors are still putting millions and millions of dollars, and that it ain't going nowhere. The reason why I'm sharing this, guys, is to show you, man, we're early. You got to continue to hodl. You got to continue to dollar cost average, buy the dips, do what you got to do to continue to invest in crypto, guys, because we're going to make lots of money, guys. Man, I want you guys to be crypto millionaires, man. I know I want to for me and my loved ones. Now, it says legendary investor Bill Miller, Bitcoin is a Ferrari and gold is a horse and buggy. This is so freaking so true. He hit the nail on the head. Basically, long story short, what he's saying is, right, you owe people, you either get with the program or you're going to get left behind. Bitcoin is the new Ferrari, and gold is the buggy, man. You know what I mean? So in other words, gold, yeah, gold is still an asset, but it's a depreciating asset, if you will. It doesn't continue. Yes, it makes money, but not like Bitcoin. You know what I'm saying? So you either get with the program or you get left behind. That's why I made this channel, guys, where I'm trying to get you guys to get with the program, so you guys don't get left behind. And years from now, be like, damn, I remember that guy Jaime G kept pounding the table, kept talking about crypto, man, saying that, you know what I mean, that people are going to make life-changing wealth. All right. Where's the next one? Okay, here we go. All right, guys, thank you if you're still with me, man. I got about another 1 or 2 more minutes. It says Bitcoin on-chain analysts, new addresses approach all-time high. What does that mean, guys? That means that people are continuously buying the dip. People are still interested in Bitcoin and cryptos, and they're going to continue to buy and buy and buy. You know what I mean? That continues to help Doge as well. Now, it says the number of BTC transactions reached a yearly low on July 2nd. The ongoing decrease in the number of addresses is dissimilar to that of 2017. Addresses with the small holdings are increasing faster than those with large holdings. So that means retail investors such as you and I, who can afford thousands and thousands of dollars, who maybe are dollar cost and averaging in or buying weekly, you know, $50, $20, you're right, guys, you don't have to buy hundreds of dollars. You can buy $10 a week or whatever you can afford, you know what I'm saying, to continue to stack up your Bitcoin. You know what I mean? Having Bitcoin is better than having no Bitcoin, guys. So what they're saying is people like you and I are buying more than large people. Granted, yes, there's institutions and big whales buying, but nonetheless, people such as you and I are continuously buying Bitcoin, and then it's at an all-time high. Now right here, look at trip on this one, guys. I'm gonna close out right here. Now it says Bitcoin is up 6.5 billion% since it was first priced in. That is huge. 12 years ago today, Bitcoin user New Liberty Standard published what it was likely the first price of Bitcoin in US dollars terms. 12 years ago today, Bitcoin users New Liberty Standard published what is likely the first price of Bitcoin on the US dollar terms. On the website of the same name, New Liberty went on to describe how they formulated their 2009 exchange rate. Now, during 2019, my exchange rate was calculated by dividing $1 by the average amount of electricity. Okay, now I'm not doing all that crap there. Trying to see what the price was, right? $1 equals 833 Bitcoin. That was back in 09, guys. So $1 would buy you 833 Bitcoin. Just imagine. Back in 09, if you bought $1 worth of fucking Bitcoin, you would be rich, guys. You would be fucking rich off of $1. You would, oh my God. Anyways, I just wanted to show you guys, Bitcoin obviously continues to go up. 6.5, get that through your head, 6.5 billion%. That is huge. Anyways, this is what your boy had for you guys, man. Hopefully it was informative, helpful, useful, and insightful. If it was, please consider that. Like and subscribe. Help me out with that YouTube algo, guys. That's all I ask for. You guys stay safe, stay blessed. Until tomorrow, your boy is out. Peace. All right. Now, where's my stop button? If I can find it. There it is. Peace out, guys. Be safe.